Understanding structural integrity, a key to safety and durability. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and crucial concept, especially if you're interested in engineering, architecture, or just the way things are built. We're talking about structural integrity. This term might sound complex, but by the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and why it's so important. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery of structural integrity together. Structural integrity refers to the ability of a structure, whether it's a building, a bridge, or any other construction, to hold together and remain stable under a wide range of conditions. It's about ensuring that structures can withstand the loads and forces they encounter daily, including the weight of the structure itself, the people and objects inside it, and external forces like wind and earthquakes. A structure with good structural integrity is designed and built to handle these stresses without collapsing or suffering significant damage. The importance of structural integrity cannot be overstated. It is crucial for the safety of everyone who uses or occupies buildings and structures. A failure in structural integrity can lead to catastrophic events, such as collapses that result in injuries or even fatalities. Beyond safety, structural integrity is also about longevity and sustainability. Structures designed with integrity in mind last longer, require less maintenance, and are more resistant to the wear and tear of everyday use and extreme weather conditions. Several key factors play a role in the structural integrity of a building or structure. Materials. The strength and durability of the materials used, such as concrete, steel, or wood, significantly influence a structure's integrity. Design. A well-thought-out design considers the loads and stresses the structure will face and ensures that the structure can support them. Construction quality. The methods and quality of construction affect how well the structure will perform under stress. Maintenance. Regular maintenance is vital to address wear and tear and prevent minor issues from becoming major structural failures. To better understand structural integrity, let's look at some examples. Bridges. They must withstand the weight of numerous vehicles, vibrations, and environmental factors like wind and water currents. Skyscrapers. These tall buildings face unique challenges, including supporting their own weight and resisting wind forces at high altitudes. Dams. They need to hold back vast amounts of water, requiring careful consideration of pressure and material strength. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at structural integrity. We hope this video has shed light on this essential concept and its importance in our daily lives. Remember, the next time you walk into a building, cross a bridge, or drive through a tunnel, there's a complex science ensuring your safety and the structure's longevity. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful videos. Stay curious, and keep learning.